How to book Singapore Airlines ticket. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can book a ticket with Singapore Airlines. So to book a ticket to Singapore Airlines is the same way as booking a flight on Singapore Airlines. And how do you go about that? The first step is to visit Singapore Airlines official website. So after visiting the website, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Then the second thing you should do is to log in into your Krish Flyer account in order to unlock personalized failed deals, privileges, and more. And how do you log in? Go to the top right corner where you can see two options, namely login, sign up to create an account. Then once you're done, just come over here and ensure you're on the book trip tab. There are other tabs here which include manage booking, check-in, flight status, as well as flight schedule. So to book, just click on book trip, head over to this page, and then just go ahead and type out your destination in here. All right, where exactly are you heading to? So you can just type it out in here. Then select your departure date as well as your returning date. So once they are done, the next is to select the class. Ensure you select the class that you can afford, as well as the one that will make you feel comfortable. For me, I'll just remain as an economy class. Then select the number of passengers that are going on this trip, as well as the number of passengers that will be needing the ticket, and then click on search. Okay, so this is to search out flights that are available for that location within the days that has been stipulated. So you wait for it to load. Once that's loaded, you can see you can see at the top part of the screen, you can see the different stages that you have to go through. You can see flights, passengers, seats, add-ons, payments. Flights for you to choose the kind of flights depending on the amount. All right, and then passengers to select the number of persons that are going and to input the details of the number of passengers that will be going on the flight. This will be able to determine the kind of ticket that will be given or the number of tickets that will be granted, as well as your seat selection, the add-ons. Maybe you want to add an extra bag or baggage, etc., and then payment. So after making your payment, that is when you would get your ticket. Okay, without making payment you cannot get your ticket. So after making payment, the receipt will be sent to your email as well as your e-ticket. But first of all, ensure you come over here, select the trip that you want. All right, click on the trip, see details about the trip, and if you are satisfied with it, click on select. Then go to the second part, select the trip for your return, scroll down to see details about the trip, and then if it's something that you can work with, click on select. Then scroll down and click on proceed to go to the next stage. Wait for it to load. So once the second stage has loaded, you'll be asked to input the passenger's details. Just go ahead and fill in all of the details, okay, such as the country, the number. All right, so you can just go through this for your country, as well as the area, the mobile number, etc. Then move over to seat selection, and then add-ons, and eventually make your payment. And after making your payment, your tickets would be sent to you as an e-ticket. It's to your email. You can now download it and then print it out because it will be needed for your check-in process. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can book a Singapore flight ticket. Thank you for watching and have a good day.